Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily check your credit score on Scotiabank. So just head over to Scotiabank's website and start logging into your account by clicking on sign in button. So from here, just log in with your credentials by using your username or card number and your password. Then once done, just click on sign in. So in your profile dashboard, just look for additional links section, and from there you should be able to see your credit score link. Just click on it. You will then be redirected to a page where you can view and check your credit score. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!